嘅兩位嘅朋友，佢按到 Irene。So where are you from?
I'm Filipino, from Philippines, and I belong to Kalinga tribe.
I am a weaver, and of course I got this skill from my parents because I came from the weaver family. My mother is a weaver, so of course it passed on. So never taught me, but it's very instinct that I know this because it's a culture. So I have to know it, and I'm enjoying doing it.
在那个一回4個時間，就是我們要做 opening 嘅時間，給一隻龍誒，就是抓住，然後你就知道它很沒有安全感。I bet you weave really well.
I think so. I will. Yeah.
Sharon is very beautiful inside, I think. Yeah, that's the first impression because of her smile. She gave me a perfect smile that I never imagined when I stepped down in Taiwan.
And you know, you have to tell everybody about your journey to Taiwan.
The first time they mentioned that they're inviting me for artists in residence here in Taiwan, I'm very excited. So I told my children, my kids, and my husband to Google about Taiwan because I'm so excited. So we talk about it, and of course I have to sacrifice everything to leave them for this.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah,
but
for
it's so
this.
Precious,
yeah,
right?
travel. Yes, yeah. I want to see more on the culture.
Yeah.
So
How long did it take you from your village to the airport?
Okay, in Kalinga we have, the distance is 14 hours by bus.
By
yeah,
bus?
It's so less.
You know,
and
you could like go to Europe by
yes,
plane.
yes, yeah. And when I'm in the plane, Taiwan is very near than in the city
to
my
Manila.
place. Yeah, in Manila.
I cannot believe it.
This is my first time, and the first time I step here, I'm a little bit nervous, and I'm so excited what I'm going to learn and what they're going to learn from me.
You've heard of Hakka ever?
Yeah, but I don't have idea about Hakka, but I want to learn about that.
Yeah, of course. Actually, we're gonna practice the Taya tribe here.
Okay.
Because you're Aboriginal tribe, right? So
Yes.
I have to let you experience our also Aboriginal culture first, and then we'll integrate Aboriginal and Hakka.
Yes.
So you'll find out what you'll
Okay. Yeah,
see.
I'm
You'll see.
very excited about it.
Yeah. So you can see this is like the patterns we have
Yes.
for our Aboriginal tribe.
Yes. In our weaving, we have also that kind of patterns. They call that mata-mata, which the eyes. Yeah.
Oh.
So, but in Kalinga, yeah, this kind. Yeah, we have this very existing in our patterns.
我哋等下去拜訪你嘅阿婆嘅時間，就會知那個強用老母強用在哪裡。I thought she was very shy, and 有一點怯生生嘅感覺。不過我就會想，菲律賓人應該唔係安用嘅吧？就是我記得，就是東南亞嘅朋友都是然後很熱情嘅嗰種，我說我就想第一天唔係安用，就是這幾天我一定要把它。那一面帶出來，然後 you know actually 你第一擺碰到一個人要很快拉近距離，這應該不能錄，就是 Hey good morning how are you doing 然後第二擺吉就笑了，然後就想說啊他又慢慢的打開，一直慢慢打開，然後就這樣感覺，就是有沒有把一個人的那個內在打開來，就是這樣打開又可以接受到更多的事情 ，yeah， 然後就可以慢慢去體驗。
Sharon makes me and Sophie, because they are the person I met first, that they let me feel that way, how I am free and I am welcome.
So you said you grew up in the village.
Yeah.
Also like in such kind of atmosphere?
Yes, we have similar. We live in a nature. So it's very at home. I feel really at home
now?
here. Yes.
You see this sign, it means it's bringing us to your,
Oh.
it will bring back your memory now.
Okay.
Let's find out.
I'm excited. So it feels very familiar with the nature because we have
also
all this.
drive here, right?
Yes. Yeah.
你好。
嗨。
木沙苏一路，你要去哪里
Oh, wait.
对啊。
I just find out one thing. You said how you greet each other. You said you ask where he's going, right?
Yeah.
They just said the same thing. Wow.
무사 수인우.
Maayam.
마아얌. 무사시. 무띠요 거기. 我要去弄竹马。
那你带我们去。
好，我带你们去，刚好我要去那边。
一起去。
一起去。
阿秋妈妈，她给我2个字，就是纯粹。好，那
我们2个一起去拿东西，去拿竹马。还有我要去拿。
我们2个一起走。
What is Latong?
不是拉动。
那都是什么？
我说我们去看竹马。
Oh, like we go to see the plant.
Okay, because Latong for us is plants.
刚好我去那边工作，我带你们去看。
That's very. Yeah.
好了，他们完全不，they don't need me. Because no, we can learn how to weave first, and then we can come fill our tummy.
哦。
Top journey.
哎，竹马还有哎，你看，这个就是竹马呢。
哇，哪一个是竹马？
这人很多。
这个是竹马。
我以为给那个双。
So this is the they call it. I googled it and it says like Chinese silk plant.
这个竹马还没有成熟，没有办法弄。成熟的时候会从这边干到尾巴，
所以是用干的做。
成熟的时候我们才能
采收，晒干吗？
不能晒干，要搓啊。因为你看它这个，
就把它拿来这里种。
你看这很硬哦，你看，所以它就会这样。不是竹马就会断掉。你看这个，这个还没有成熟，所以你拿这个去照相哦，这个照相哦。
Take a picture with me.
Okay, yeah.
The mother, she welcomed us so much love, I think, and she's very open, and I feel at home.
Yeah, I think I understand how, or I can imagine what my father is saying about this
Your dad
plant.
mentioned about this one.
Yeah, no, but I can relate because we have before, long time ago, when they use cotton, it's a bark from the tree. So they use that to weave, yeah. But I think it's we call that sagut in our place. This is another
name.
No, it's a different plant.
I
think, yeah. So what I asked her is, it takes year to harvest this one or months?
一年可以收3次，一年3次嘛，5月、8月、12月。所以我们以前老人家就是用这个做这个赚钱呢。这个以前我们要会卖给人家，卖给厂商，他们需要这个线嘛，需要这个线。对呀，做好了以后，我们会一大捆卖出去。
那你几岁的时候开始织这个的啊？
这个小的时候我都摸，妈妈会叫我们不摸嫁不出去啊。
Yes, that's for us also. It's like
他们
that
一样
because
都一样。
Yeah, it's like
原住民都一样啊，他们那边的原住民。
if you don't weave, you don't eat. In my village.
No weaving, no eating.
Yeah, that's for us. I have one question for her. Yeah. How old are you when you start weaving?
我差不多3岁的时候，我妈妈会给我摸线了，
就是也是这种吗？
这种嘛，然后揉线呐，都慢慢就。国小的时候就妈妈教我会跑调，很累呢，织布啊，要坐下，要整着那个，
而且要耐得住，耐心，对不对
？Yes.
For you the same.
Now I'm grade 2 when I started.
Grade 2 is what? 7?
Yes.
对啊，其实很像，对不对？
很像，差不多了。他们那边的原住民，我们这边的原住民差不多了。
对啊，
We are so lucky because we learned this.
你们也很惊艳了，我有这个东西。
对啊，
看哈，
雪莲
有缘呢。
雪莲哦，
雪莲呢？
雪莲。I don't know how to say this. 雪莲 sing again.
Being Aboriginal, the First Nation or indigenous people, we really have common rituals or culture that we share, even in our everyday living.
有了哈，这个有哈。
哦，这个就是雪莲哦。
这个就是雪莲。
怎么长得这么像地瓜啊？
就是这地瓜，你看。这个本来是很大，这个很大啦，你看，这个。它的那个这个要种的，它的种子，这个好像生姜，可是不太一样。
对啊，长得很像姜哎。
对，那这个很好哦。
这要怎么吃啊？
这个那个下霜吃掉了，可是还很甜呢。
哦 ，she said it's the frost。你让我们，阿姨，你让她试。
好。
哦，对。It's okay, I like her。
你这很好吃，很甜。
雪莲就只要这样吃，不用煮吗？
不用煮。
Can I try？
煮也可以啦，可是
难怪猪一直来吃。
对啊。
Sweet.
你看这个，看。
琼乃莲是那个天山雪莲从土里面出来。为什么 V 马该在都市里面的时候一定要吸？可是琼迪俩 V 个世界，然后就做的是，即便有土还是照吃。哦，我不知道哎，这种生活，俺迪回不回得去？两个世界给安永大傀儡的那一个瞬间，然后这是他的自然动作。不过可能对 Irene 来讲，也是一个很自然的动作。不过俺其实有一点点害怕，一开始我想说，我只有一次机会，还是试了吧。到那个农场的时间，给看到每一个植物，你就会想干够，可是它很像看到气家嘅木卡，后背嘅花花草草，因为记住两个都在吃，两个中午在吃，然后什么什么，然后记住个那个阿秋妈妈，两三人虽然讲语言不同，不过就记看到两个记住会很直觉的，我觉得这是他很本能的一个。她的生活 ，she's very used to this, very used to that。然后，给就做的老阿秋妈妈，两个可以很 like very peacefully 的相处。
我的家乡在哪路啊？我的家乡在新竹县白兰部落。从前的时候是一家人，现在还是一家人。手牵着手，肩并着肩，轻轻地唱着我们的歌声。团结起来，
一个人啊，你都活到70、80岁，那琼乃莲安永，你一路这样长大，10岁、20岁，你都低度10岁跟你是很纯真的，然后你一定会慢慢社会化。可是比马该一个都会安泰给你给汉州的眼睛是这么干净的，然后再看这个世界，就是感觉这个人很美。但像那个看世界的角度，还有待人的讽刺，没清真诚。
这都是那个我们泰雅族的图腾啊，有祖灵的眼睛啊，这里啊，这里啊，这里啊。
你说这个黑黑的这个？
对呀，反正这样，不管什么颜色，反正他们弄这样子，一粒一粒就是祖灵的眼睛。
哦，所以祖灵一直都在看着你。
自己织布，自己要想，一定要想到。
这个也算吗？大
这个是菱形啊。我们泰雅族的图腾就是菱形。
Maybe we can see more of her pattern if we have the same patterns.
Yeah,
it's very near. What do you think they're getting their inspiration? Because in our weaving, I'm telling you, I have said that our inspiration is all from our nature.
也是差不多。
也是，
对啊，织布也是一定要想到 泰雅族的
祖先
祖灵这样。
大家看到那个可能会捞到那个马铃薯，不过其实那个就是我们调哈在土里面用出来的地下水果，黑吗？
嘿啦，
天山雪莲 ，OK。It doesn't look like 天山雪莲 at all, but let's try it. Yeah. 你开始，你年纪最大，你没有动，我不敢拿。快点，快点拿，肚子很饿呢。
肚子痛了。大家吃雪莲哦，多吃一点啊。你怎么那么小？
它已经咬进去了。It tastes like pear.
好像水梨一样。气氛是比较脆。
你旁边放那个是什么？要用什么用的？
这个用这个咖喱。
咖喱。哦，我们调它弄的猪麻。
猪麻。
好，你试一次，你试给我们看好不好？
这样嘿，要这样弄嘿。
现在这个步骤是要干嘛？
就是要这个是竹麻，我们要搓，要做那个线，然后可以做衣服。
哦，把它刮出来。
哎，安妞就这个就是竹马线啦。
安妞就会竹马给线
呐。
你还看过她的眼睛在 observe 那个阿秋婆婆替白在示范一个时间，她很想要看出，我的太阳的织布，老记掉的织布有嘛该冇空用。这个已经是最后面要最细的地方了吗？就可以开始织了吗？
不是，还有其他的动作。
什么动作？
好，还有一个这样动作。
One more process。把它绑起来，是不是？
绑起来。
现在要做什么？
我就是要弄线呐，不是说只有这样就可以了，还要弄线呢。这个要抓住，这个要抓住，这个要抓住，然后我们还要弄这样啊。
现在在做什么动作啊？把它
就是要把它剪一条线啊，这个不能弄很粗呢，这样要这样弄线，然后在尾巴不够的时候，细的话就要加一点，太
细了就要加一点，把它接起来，让它可以
对，差不多粗，你看。
用卷的，
我的说这样，老人家就这样啊，你看。
Is this how you do it?
I think so. It's similar.
With the cotton.
Unfortunately,
这个细了还要再加，
The weaving it's very similar because from your weaving, from the weaving of the Hakka, it's like I learn from them because they do it in a very simple way, which is I can also adapt. I never feel tired because of what I'm seeing. Yeah, and it's really inspired me a lot.
这个有切的地方哦，要给它这样。
Oh, so your mom taught you about this? Ow, it hurts.
Yeah.
Hey, Callie, it hurts.
I'm seeing her before, but she's using another kind of thread, which is the polyester. And when she to join, she's doing the same.
The same with polyester.
Polyester. Yeah, the same she's doing here. It's like it's very. I think it's very connected. For me, I can make it easy because I've seen it in my own eyes.
Yeah.
And by heart, I know.
That's why you're doing it fast, right? 那这个
it needs concentration also.
Yeah.
要用这个大拇指转，要用这个大拇指转，你看不会掉，要用这个，嘿，你的怎么手又往后了？你不要这样，你的这样不一定是你要这样，不是。
My mom also did here. she call it this.
那个另外一个那个
更难。
But it's
不是
I think it's
我
not.
们这个不能用那样，那样的话像绳子啦。我们这个是不能那样。
要做线。哦
做线。
It would become like a rope, but we're
Yeah,
making
yes.
thread now.
Yeah.
辛苦你了哈，
谢谢
辛苦你了哈，妹妹哈，带你去煮饭。
哎呀，
哈，
哦，
我们去煮饭。
做这个太累了。
Yes, yes.
走，Let's go 啊 ！You cannot stop.
Yeah, wait, I'll just.
到这里就好了。
I'm in love with this. While she cook, I'll just continue. 好啊，你走，带我们去。I'm in love with this one now. 走哎。
That's one of your delicacy here?
For them.
For them. Ah, okay.
So for like us, we a lot we eat rice, but for them this is very simple. 那你们吃这个是还会再加进饭里面，还是？
对，这个要加进饭里面，也是有可以用蒸的，也可以做麻鸡，也可以这样自己吃。
So what do you think? This is better, this one or the rice?
你觉得哪一个？
因为我从小就吃这个长大的，差不多了。
Ah, you wash it, you wash.
也是像洗米一样啊。
对呀，对呀。
You know, when we wash the rice, it's already hard when you pour the water
Yeah.
out. So this one's even smaller.
Yeah.
这个要这样的，不能给它。
Oh, it's
要
all
弄这样洗。
ah raw or
可以
or is
这样可以
it?
吃了，对不对？
可以啊，
Yeah, can I?
很好吃。
It's like the taste of the sticky rice in our place.
Yeah.
But it is smaller.
他说吃起来很像他们那边的糯米。
We have the same, but it's how they cook. The mother is she's so very happy to cook for us, and that's the one I'm very thankful. And as a mother for my 3 kids, I should do this more. Yeah, I'm so inspired from her.
我们来做那么多东西，我们都还没有看到你织东西到底是什么样子，你带我们去看呢？
好，我带你去看我做的那个
Yeah.
织布。
We finally get to see her work.
Yes, yeah, I want to see how
well
she
she
work
makes
with
this.
this.
Yeah. 走啊。
走
Okay.
，OK。那我做的东西就是在这个是
这一台吗
这一台呀，这个是做传统的。
？This is her waving
Wow.
weaving.
Weaving.
Is
What
it
does she call this?
古木，
งู？
Gung.
古木，古木。
So this is, I think it's handmade. We do it very traditional.
对呀，用做的这个
都是你自己，
都是我自己
你全部都是自己。
对呀。
So before, I think they have 2 colors.
See this one? Oh,
Oh, that's
阿姨，你们传统的颜色是什么啊？
我们传统的颜色就是咖啡跟白色为主，就是这个。
Oh, this is their traditional color.
yeah.
And what about yours? Your traditional
Yeah,
color?
it's very colorful. It's red.
It's red.
Yeah.
他们有吗？
他们的是红色，他们传统的颜色。
哦，红色就是像那
Yeah,
个
that's
我们
in
改
my
良
in
的。
my husband tribe. That's their color. Before, the first weaver also in our place, they have also this color, the blunt color, which is very
simple.
It's very simple because I think it's one is the material itself. They're making
No
their
dyeing.
own. Yeah, they're no dyeing. They're
Yeah.
from the natural resources, so they don't have color on it. So I think that's one.
the reason.
Yeah, that's the reason. Yeah, I think that's the color from. We are using the same colors, so the same thread also. For now, those thread are. I think that's not very natural.
Oh, that is
that's
not?
polyester.
那个，它这个是
Yeah.
这个
I think
红色
it's-，
这个的红色是天然的吗？
You ask how
这
where
个是
she's
我们
getting
线哈，这个是那个是也是麻线啊，可是他们用卡西米，厂商会我叫厂商染什么，他就会给我们染什么。
那以前怎么开始从这种颜色变成，也是应该是天然的材料吧？
本来是那个是天然的材料啊。
It's like this. Yeah, they don't have to put color on this, so it comes
Naturally.
It's natural.
Yeah. 好， 那我们把那个搬去外面吗？
我们出去喽。
好，我们2个搬。
2个搬，我们2个
带我们一带路。
好。
哎呀，
小心哦。
好，很珍贵哦。好，你准备好了吗？
准备好了。
OK。
好，我现在要打开喽。
好，怎么？哎，好像很隆重哦。这个是你织多久的？哎。要往全身都要用到哦。
对哦。
You have to use your whole body for making
course,
the.
yes.
Of course, like you tried it.
Of course, I'm a weaver.
You also do it this.
It's the same, very the same, but we have for warping. It's very different, but I find this very practical because the space. It will. What are you getting?
你要拿什么？
拿这个。咚，
一个咚。
What do you call
这个
that?
要干嘛？
就是要
你要怎么叫它那个什么名字
Berisa.
It's very similar.
What is the difference between your
Yeah,
tools?
for us it's the same. This is the same.
This is the same.
This is the same. Yeah, this is also the same.
这个都很多都一样呢。
This is
他
also
的
the
他们
same.
那边的。
对啊，跟他组里用的。
是哦。
I will show you how. You have lots of bamboo. You can use.
什么有好
You
Bamboo.
can use bamboo here.
But this is not bamboo. This is
Yeah.
wood.
Yeah, that's.
You mean you use
Yes,
wood?
we use bamboo.
Yeah, they also
以
have.
前也是用那个啊。
Yeah, they old ways.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We are
Why-
still having. We still do that.
那这个是要干嘛的啊？
就是内线你不放内线没办法织啊。
哦，你要放内线，然后要外面
哎
织成那个图
不是
案。
对呀，你看这个是菱形的那个竹林的眼睛呢，也是他们也一样吗？
Yes.
对。可是
You miss the other. See this like this? She missed the
这
thread.
个
That's why it's
不是这个昨天他们起身了。
哦，so 那如果这个发生错误，可以再退回去吗？
要
要怎么退啊？
要拆呀，我
整组
想看
拆掉哦。
这个我来拆，也是一样，好像织布的那个。
I want to. Do you want to try?
Yeah.
对，我想看一下，我想看你可以拆呀。你不会处理，你就不会织布了。
所以要会织布，一定要会处理
要
错的。
处理错的。
So you said you make the vertical. How do you make the vertical ones? How do you put it
What do you
on?
mean?
How do you put it
Because
on?
we have we have different how we doing the warp. So for us it's very long, and we do that. It's a 2-person, and for her she's only 1.
So you make it in 2-person for weaving.
Yeah. So I'll be the driver. So I will do all the patterns.
Oh, so you're the
Yeah.
The driver do the
yes,
patterns.
yeah.
我感觉我迄亲自己迄用的给你，直到给到那个固定的东西放在后面，然后开始啊，
I'll be Taya for now.
Yeah，他现在是泰雅族了。
对，他也做了。
泰雅
Yeah,
族
you
的女
miss
士。
those. Oh, it's okay.
哎，可以，没因为小孩子昨天有
我
用。
马街都唔会织东西，马街都唔会。不过我希望这几天下来 ，at least I learned something. I hope I learned something like about weaving.
We used to do that.
Do
So
what?
You. It's like that. So you see, it's you see.
这个
Can I try the
Still,
tok
yes.
tok tok tok? Oh, this is 好像面线哦，你看。
没关系，没关系。
Yeah, we will see. Wait, I will see later.
然后我就感觉啊，他终于有一个 moment 是，他习惯，可能一开始来到台湾，然后可能请会讲两个不熟悉，我觉得不熟悉是一个人的应该是本能吧，你一定会害怕。不过我就看到还有看到两个，就想到啊，我们用两个器具来做很像，然后你就会他又卸下来了，因为看到熟悉的东西。
我现在要闹他，因为我知道织布讲话很难，对不对？So
Okay.
when did you arrive last night?
It's 11. No, it's 1. It's supposedly 12.
She's distracting us.
Yeah, it's supposedly 12. So they have this delay. I don't know why.
What do you
I'm not listening.
What do you think of her? Like, is she?
Yeah, she's very warm actually. It's like I miss my mother already.
You miss your mother already?
So I feel
你让她想到她妈妈了呢。
这，你现在想这个，不要想妈妈，妈妈跟这个。
我要故意闹她
啊
我说，我跟她说，我知道刚刚在做线的时候，我知道要卷那个又要讲话，哦，很难，对不对？See?
when I'm doing the weaving, it's like no difference of you as a baby in Taiwan and I am a Filipino, as if we are very, very close to each other. It's always the connection that makes. It brings me the connection back with my ancestors also. We have similar patterns. Actually, we have, but she was surprised with the patterns we have also in Kalinga, but I'm sure she can do it. See, it went wider.
吃的时候不能用5只手，
不能用
用
5只手
5只手，用3只，
这样
比较不会掉。
应该要用饭比较，
对，
才比较
饭比较然后就可以吃，就用3只手。
这个猪肉是会一大块的，我今天觉得太。
Actually, during picnic we use this. Not at home, but it's during the picnic.
Nowadays?
Yeah.
Still,
Yeah, we still do it. Yeah.
他们家里会这样。
他们也会这样吃。他说他们现在出去野餐还是什么，也都是还是这样吃东西耶。对啊，Irene, so like this whole day very home place.
Yeah.
What was
That's it.
It's only the first day. Tell me about your feelings.
Yeah, it's always the first day that you feel how you feel about the place.
Yeah.
But for me, I told you that it's not the place, but it's the people around you. So I feel I'm so welcome, and it's made me so happy to be in Taiwan. And yeah, and
She doesn't
feels
understand.
home. I feel at home.
Yeah.
Here, yeah. The world is very small today, so you can also come to the Philippines and
哦，你太 sweet
now
了
we
啦！
yeah.
谢谢你们呢，谢谢你来看我
而。且你让我们整天都很开心，又可以一直笑哦，超棒的。
我就每天就这样啊，肚子饿我会呱呱叫的，要吃东西。吃饱的时候我就好像鸟一样走来走去，走来走去。
Wow.
You see this river right now? It's called 陈有兰溪 and it's Nantou. I personally would put it like a lot of disasters happen here,
Yeah.
and so every time you come here, you see these rocks.
Yeah.
Like they're huge rocks. It's actually downstreams right now, but they belong to upstreams, but they're here. So
Oh wow.
picture how
Yeah.
terrible there was
Of course.
mudslides.
So it looks like it would be this beautiful river before. You know, if it's nature wrecks, you cannot say it really destroyed the environment. Yeah.
What about
It's
in
always-
Philippines?
Yeah, we have a lot of typhoon in Baguio. Typhoon will be 10 typhoons coming.
10 times.
Yes, there are 3 in a month, especially June, July until September. We have typhoons there, so everybody will be preparing about it.
Oh.
Yes, yeah. So there will be landslide, cross,
We can see like those. We actually remember like when we parked the car, we heard like stones coming down, right?
Yeah.
It's really horrible.
It's always it's a human fault, I think, because we're not taking good care of environment. Yeah. And it's like a world phenomenon right now.
But put that sad part aside. Actually, like this river provided agriculture. For example, grapes and plum. So I'm gonna take you to a plum factory later. We're gonna do fermentation, marinating. So we're marinated, and then you can try out the plum in Taiwan.
That would be my first.
Your first plum?
I never heard that in the Philippines.
Never?
Yes.
Oh,
that'd be exciting.
Big chance, huh? So, you've never seen plum before?
Yes.
I have a very big question mark in my mind now, but don't worry, this is a place where we'll see
wow, okay.
the plum.
Yeah. So tell about it.
Well, actually, it's like pretty tiny, but I cannot imagine you've never seen plums before because I thought it's everywhere.
Oh, so we will see.
Yeah, we will see. And I heard like during the marinating, the color changes a lot with the plum. So I see you use a lot of colors. Yes, from yesterday, you change your scarf.
Yeah.
So how do you decide which colors to use?
In the weaving, you mean?
Yeah.
In the weaving, yeah. It's always I get inspired by colors from the nature, the province, because I'm always going home during summer, so. Yeah.
And also, like summer gives you a lot of colors.
Yes,
right?
The flowers, the color of our field. Yeah, that's inspired me a lot.
Actually, just like right now.
Yeah,
right?
yes. So
orange, purple, everything.
So yes, inspired by.
Let's get inspired
nature,
inside. Yeah.
I'm sure. Yes. That will give.
Oh, Thái Chi, hello.
Hello.
Là hình ảnh cái Philippines cái thầy you Irene.
Yeah, it's a pleasure to meet you.
你好，ngày đến tí tu，你有我们坐，请坐的 take a seat。
Yeah.
ngày đến tí tu，你有去搞烟梅。
有啦，有中梅係呢度，
中梅也有。
有中呢度。
因為菲律賓也磨梅誒，你都在哪本地看哦？因為佢講他可能地度唔夠，好像又沒有，他想要看一下。
想梅係啊，先
你哋還有冇？
有，
好，
來下係。
OK，秀。
因為那個昨天那個藍圖裡面的梅子把它裝進來過來。
Oh, this is.
我幫你好了。
好，謝謝。
Ah. Oh my God, I never seen one of that.
兩係長梅。
兩個就是還沒有醃製。Have you seen this?
No. This is my first.
來，本給試看看啊。
一勺。係。
Try it.
一般的青梅。
You can.
兩是無紅上的絲的。
兩個時間會上。
無紅絲的。
Or no? You need salt on it.
要加糖。
Yeah. 先哎，你再吃一个，你再吃一次。Did you see this face?
我很喜歡自己懂愛食嘅梅。
This is what we want, right? Not this one. Like 兩個酸到，我們自己蓋一下先。
So that's the first process. They cook it like that.
這個兩個的做法是冇同樣
的。
Yeah, it's made different in different ways.
Yeah. 媽拿這個給你吃。
Tastes good. Good.
You like it?
Yeah.
And you see the color? This one is like still.
Yeah. It turns.
Transparent a bit, right? And then this one, more like crystal clear. So we try this one and then we go pick up the plums, huh?
Okay.
哎，这个有用茶叶腌的。
那個紫蘇關係葉。
紫蘇。Are you ready to go?
Yes.
Yeah.
Please.
那阿姨你就带奶牛去哦。
好。
Yeah. Wow.
Hello， 还要去吗？没有。那个就是吗？对。
Wow. Amazing.
But it looks really normal, right? Just like random tree. 看起来很像长在路边的。你在干嘛？
我清在梅花。
Like she's finding the flower for us, the blooms.
Okay, then that is the time when we
在梅
get.
花一讲，
好，我们刚刚点来摘梅子好，反正怎么摘也没有花啊，对不对？
对，已经结束了。
对啊。那你刚刚掉那一个做的
俩做唔得俩撇晒，
俩配晒，
连晒，
Okay.
贴两面吗？
个松起，
你单眼有你。
好。
Ah, wow. Oh my, this is paradise.
This is paradise.
Yes. You see how rich you are.
Oh, there are mud. 这里的都可以摘哦。
Yeah. So how do you just?
为他做的嘞，
没有什么特别的技巧吧？
不是啊，
Wow.
就做的。
Let's finish this whole place, right?
Yeah. Okay. Sure.
Okay, get started.
我看到佢在那个某一个时间，我就会说，佢一天在几个副卡，他真的就是太熟悉这两个东西耶。你就看到佢然后佢很多的 share 他做什么其他事情嘅时间嘅，就是的 ideas，but 我在想他的生活可能来到台湾对佢来讲，没是一个很大的刺激，因为他先来到台湾，然后这么多的某空用的东西，不是山里面的东西，然后乃点章回到自然，然后他又可以有另外一种比较回归最原始状态的感觉。
Yeah, I'm telling Sharon that you are very, I think, blessed because there are a lot of things here that are taking care of the children, their generation. They are more be responsible because of this. Because in the Philippines, the generation they are lacking appreciation. I'm thinking of appreciation because they don't appreciate what they have surround them. Yeah, and they just appreciate it if they see things that they have already. They just appreciate things outside.
好，阿姨你先吃饭你掰哦。好 ，just leave it。对它的程序有嘛改啊？
有，不用养，然后就不用养，好，那个叫做杀青。
杀青。
因为它现在你看它是这个颜色，等一下要把它搓到变成另外一个颜色，会弄清久。
会弄多久啊
？15分啦。
15分。
哦，这样。来，老唔讲吼，你就加入这个水吼。
哦。
可以减掉5分钟。
那再多可以再减吗？
没有办法。
I feel always lucky that the first time you show that how it works with the fruits also. It's so amazing that it's very simple how they change their color. It's very inspired me that why not people or a human being should also change into very colorful way. We always, after school for the kids, we always make a point that we go home for a summer, and that's the time I'm working with the weavers. Yeah. Because it's their time also from working. They are off to the field, then they'll begin to weave.
Yeah.
And that's the time that I believe that I think that's the time they also they are rich in more thinking of the colors also.
I think I get your point. Like, as a student, when I'm busy with school, I'm always like stuff. Okay, I got this to do tomorrow, next day, blah blah blah. But when I get a vacation, you can it's like a period of time when you get to rest and then you can think about what you're seeing in the world, and then you get inputs.
Yes. In summer, the school is over for the kids. Then I'll go home, and my mind is always focused on my own work and my designing. So the colors come out. So every night I'm working with this. Every night. It's not like a dream, but it goes. It's very instinct with me, I think, because of the environment I live in and everything about nature. That's really my inspiration with my weaving.
那点平常跟时间都被太多东西占据了，你的生活没有想象的空间吗？两个时间，我张替白糖豆两个想法，他有3个小孩子。鼓手作为一个全职给阿妹，你有太多的东西要照顾了，那你自己呢？所以鼓手给就讲啊，他都是把自己的灵感先放在这里，然后 summertime 他都得转去那个他们部落，然后他就可以开始 weave， 所以他平常其实是在累积，而且有个时间你想象的东西跟你出来那段时间，他可能因为有某种用的想法出来，可能最后看到的成品会是你可能会看到你人生不同阶段，然后你脑袋里装的东西，你出了一个，它可能会有一个时间摆在那里，都得不你看到哎。阿姨，你这样老开加工一般，替一般倒出水会多久的时间
8点钟。
8点钟 It takes 8 hours just to pour out the first water.
Wow. 3拜多提3拜啊。
3拜。Okay.
8點鐘1
And
拜。
3 times that makes 24 hours. Is it? I think shaking it like make it acceleration. 这样要比较快吧？
不用这么辛苦摇，那个摇没有用。
有没有用？
对。
你不要让我们失望好不好？
看你就摇得这么辛苦哦，2罐粉。
Yeah. No, but you have to keep on shaking. And this one is your gift.
Wow.
Thank you. 一起摇一下，等一下再自己按看。好，我等一下也先走。So this is the cocoon, and that is lemongrass. Yeah. 哇，就下眼定來到兩邊，然後 Irene 看到兩個，然後記住老嚟講啊，記在菲律賓嘅時間叫色膏lemongrass。
Yes.
And 還有茶底杯也會有，不過記從來沒有自己切過，然後自己把它整了，所以鼓手眼定兩下就去兩邊請跳架 ，Let's go。
Okay.
跳架，安走。
Very interesting when we go to because the lemongrass, the smell is very, very abundant, and it's very warming, and it keeps me more alive. My memory went back to when I was a kid.
Do you want to step into? Sure. 好。好，然后换Irene 哦。I help out with the.
You just put it down.
底杯做得中多啊？
你要500件啊
500件。
500
You have to fill up 500 kilograms inside.
Wow.
That's hard, Anna.
Yes. Oh,
you know he jumped, so you have to jump.
It's awesome.
给替摆在桶子里面跳上跳下的时间，黑奶，我第一次看到他的最热情的那一面，我就说啊 ，This is her。Immediately 他一直跳，他说啊 ，I'm so happy, I'm so happy 。
Because my grandfather has this kogon, but it's just a different kind. That when they harvest, they do it for the same. They do the drying, and we harvest it because they doing that for roofing for our traditional houses, and it's give me more good feeling about it.
You have to experience Hakka, so we have to.
Of course, yes.
Okay.
好，幫你個 color 係嚟。
声音哦。
你要声音哦，你给你跳啦，你来这里啊，好嘛，好。
You show everyone how well you do it first, huh?
哎，你可跳跳哪里去嘞？哦，烂多哦。
Oh, too much, he said.
那个刀子会滑上来哦，小心。
Be careful with the knife. Take it easy, huh?
Okay, okay. Yes.
When we do the harvest, I'm so thankful because it is my first time to do that, and it's here in Taiwan also, and it's like it's so much love for me, and it's so much appreciation, and it's so much inspiration that I'm very fortunate. I'm very lucky to be here, I think, because I experienced what I did not experience at home. Oh, that's
Don't want
the
a
dry
red?
one. No.
Eh.
Oh, sanga.
Oh,
Panga. Okay.
use this one. Eh, like, 你嘛该爱点跳下行会放两个啊？
该晒街下爱读电啊，你来困迄落，你按到几搭啊？
那有拿起来冇？
冇，强
就会再用两个。
再对嘿。
哎 ，OK,
Heavy.
a little bit heavy.
你啊都会等下吼，都掠翻来掠都会抢拱。
抢狗是什么？
抢拱都会扁担的意思，扁担是扁的，戳落去哦，你开啊这样做的。你那扁担冇做的戳。
戳到哪里啊？
要戳过一样。
It's easier.
然后把它拿起来。
对呀，就这样。
Mm.
安尼啊。
哎
Oh.
，We should try.
Put the other one
再
here.
一个啊，两边啦，哎，就按戳啊落去哈。
我给你试试看。
好来，你哦，开始。我做的，开松了，来，嘿嘿。呀。
Oh,
Hey, one more step.
No.
Okay, my turn.
I might have a stiff neck.
Oh, I'll choke that one. Wait. Hey,
过出力。
hey.
好做的，开松了，哎。
哎，等一下。哎
Yeah.
，How do you?
一个死
You turn.
上来。
You turn this.
哎。
It's going there.
It's going where? I beg your pardon. Wait.
绕过去，哎，
There.
你要拉头一点，这样才有办法。
Yeah.
哎，人
I'm not giving up.
Okay.
小心旁边的人要小心，容易刮到。要从肩膀过去，哎，对，哎，对。
哎，我开始站不太住了。
可以，对，
嘿，
再用力，再用力，哎，可以，哎，可以啊，
Hey.
啊，
You
对
did it.
是这样拿吗？
啊，对，这样敲回去的，
好，
再敲回去
拜。拜。好，两行爱点就走得来，装爱点跟叶那个皂叶吗？
哎，叶片香皂，
好
来，
叶片
你
谢谢
来，来打开来，好，拿上来一
So hold
点
it，
但后面一
like on the
点，
stem
哎，后面一点，你不用落去哈，来松了，哦，可以了，哦，就很漂亮。
耶
Oh.
，This process is so nice。
哎，就这样，
看起来
一
很像
张啊。
I don't know this。
Wow.
哎，你啊做得洗洗一摆哦，啊
Wow.
又很环保又很好带，那我们可以当书签放着很漂亮。对，
And you see,
Okay,
for me,
yes,
I
yes.
would regard this as one of the, you know,
Of
most
course,
we
yes,
have.
yeah.
很像麦芽糖，按用看起来。
嗯。
She likes things unprocessed. 她要的是最原始的状态。
Everything today is my first time. I always say that I'm so fortunate because you let me see this. So we have to go back into nature. We go back to basic to make life so beautiful and simple, yet it's beautiful. Yeah, that's what I saw here. They preserve everything for their next generation.
No, we have to travel so far away from Nantou to Miaoli. This is like an old district because I have to show you the cloth.
Wow, very colorful.
Yeah. You waited this for like, what, 3 days, huh?
Yeah.
We call it like the flower cloth.
Why?
Because it's very obvious, you see.
Oh, wow, it's all flowers.
Yes. 條家你攞嚟定介紹一下好唔？
呢是台灣有最有名的偃冬編織出來客家法布誒，你看新偃冬是以前是按偃冬布質地的，
古時候啲
係
清有名。
誒，你係落工廠煙咧？
哦，this is like a very old factory for making.
80年的以前阿婆的時節啦，哈，是拿來做太樹帕，哈，我要包拜神人啦，哈。
Who's making the design of this?
你係從當橋哦，你係冇話都講。
哦，冇法度講。
你只講當橋嘅傳統法布誒。
可能佢冇想到，那個客家法布係按用 like vibrant 的顏色。佢睇外看到嘅時間，佢嘅木族又 bling， like 哦，怎麼會這麼充滿了百花齊放？那個花放的樣子，跟他眼睛木族放的樣子係相用嘅。
When I step on this shop, I was amazed with the colors. I've been waiting for this day because this is the one I'm looking for, and it inspired me because it's so much color that my mind can't process it. So I think I'll put it in my eyes, so much color, and I can process it in my mind, so I have to put it in my heart, so I will know it by heart. It's inspired me a lot to do with such more creation on my craft and my skills on designing, and I think it's also give me time and to think and to work on it. It's a very fruitful experience that I've seen this floral. I already had an idea of your they call it the floral of the Hakka.
Yeah.
Hakka, because I look at in the internet or Google. So I have the picture that they do it from your nature. I already have this color, but I'm very surprised because this is very colorful.
Yeah. 就是顏色很繽紛那種。
我去給他看法布，其實我一直會想，就是為嘛個客家人會親愛用法布來做裝飾，係唔係？因為我們亞洲人蠻壓抑的，對情感上來講，我們是不是把我們的情感寄託在那一種是裝飾性上面的東西，然後來表達我哋平常不敢說出來嘅法？我去給他對法布嘅想象係安用啊。
我們走。
Wow.
But we have to turn this way.
Okay.
No, but we have to walk straight from them.
What?
2 for 100. What is this?
Oh, food.
Okay. Do you hear the rain?
Oh my God, this is very, very natural on how Taiwan people share their food with each other. Taiwan is very, very lucky or very fortunate to have those kind of healthy food.
太嘎一吃拿东西本来流失的。I told everyone, like, everyone is offering. 阿爸，你家下啲嘅做乜嘅？
我上面嘅西茶美食的手一樣。
Do you know what this is?
No.
Because we'll be seeing the silkworms, right?
Yes.
So guess what this is?
The berry?
No, the poo poo.
Oh!
Hey, it's a poo poo.
呀，台灣人都說那是什麼啊？呀， 你们是啦？
哦，然后这个就是两个桑葚，黑吗？
黑啊，双叶子啊。
He's taught like Malaysians and Africans. They came here and learned how to do it, but not the Filipinos.
Oh, I'm so lucky.
给他剃跟剃上，you know.
我觉得反正他对一切自然的事物都是满怀着欢心的。
Look at that! Wow! 两个就会蚕丝被嘅。
嘿啊，两只会买。
Do you know what this is?
No.
Imagine, like, can you, it's very useful for your everyday life. Think. What is it?
It's like a.
It's like a blanket.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, it's a blanket.
这个很暖的。阿爸，两个要冻小毛啊。
冬暖夏凉，迄牙惨的，土厚贵平的，贵低的，贵低的是就将去煮电班中去。
还要煮哦 ，Something's going on。那你带爱人去看好诶，然后去装上去。
爱人看到那个就是那个丝挂在那个很像那个棉花板嘅时间，那个应该迄个天白看到暗度嘅蚕丝，我觉得那个拍摄啊，对佢来讲真的是很纯洁，因为你刚抽丝起来，又是一个很原始的过程，没有马该加工，只是它最天然的样子。
This is the first time cooking a blanket, right? Yes. Oh, this is boiling like that. You know why we're cooking this? Because when you boil it, the saliva, when they leave the saliva, you can drive it out.
Okay. 我也要搞又当好。
不过假使你冇煮嘅话，那个膏
啱唔来唔得啦。
所以鼓手那个被子就会硬硬的。
对呀。
Yeah, it's curiosity for me because this is my first time. I've seen silk textiles or fabrics, but I never see how the process, and I really want to see this how the process, and it's so I think it's awesome and I'm enjoying it.
迄出来的乱号。
What？看那个，你马该有一些黑色，有一些白色，然后又有这种。本太甲看，你看，有青头跟深的，你马该。
对呀，窗帘就出来的，哇，剩下壳了。
白色的。
对，白色的。像这个黄色的，它是不受精卵。这个黑色才有受精，
所以黑色的才会长出来。
对，但是现在目前台湾的产能有136种，这种研发新的品种，一天呢变高当会出。
变高？
对，我拿狼床。
What is that？
你嘛讲？
那个鹅卵，不用这样常温了哈，生液就都变成120年。那
为什么要把它留那么久，让它出来？
没有，有时候你治太多，你一下没办法养啊。你要延长它的寿命啊。我的卵最长啊，你真是推翻了啊！它最长可以冰到9个月。
长期来动奇怪的，把那个卵冰在冰箱。
没冰没出来。
第一摆看到哎呦军事养成的蚕宝宝哦，我觉得。小时候的回忆都起来，然后俺们想到俺小的时候，俺爸明白，我都会吵着爸爸，爸爸你可不可以带我去偷采人家的桑叶？做点么回事么啊？哦， this is so comfortable。好啦 ，get to work，get your ass，come on， 阿爸起来啊！两个就会调下。Yeah， 两个调下爱点煮开了就会上到暗用了。
对呀。
然后要晒，对不对？
要晒啊。
You know，
if
there are like dirt, like some dirty things, you have to just do it one by hand with your hand.
The father who's doing it, and I can say how very hard they doing this, how wonderful they do it, and how they put their heart on it. For me, that's the highest. How I can respect them for the craft they are doing. And so I'm thinking that everything here is very organic. Yeah, when we smell it, even the lemon until the silk. This is very natural. So how nature works.
Great movie. Yeah, it's not, so this place is Nantou, and it was like in 2000, in the year 2000, there was like a big earthquake, and I heard like they got their inspiration because of that earthquake. So that's why they wanted to bring back the sense of human nature. So weaving, the process before weaving is like dyeing, right? And there's this kind of dyeing, we call it Hakka Lanran. Lanran. It's like indigo color.
Oh wow, indigo. Yeah, I love indigo.
You love indigo?
Yes.
So we should take a look at like, what they will teach us,
show
right?
me, Sharon.
Hi, Gaho. Hello.
Hello, Irene.
No.
Gracia.
Karen. Gracia and Karen.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah,
It's very colorful.
It's all from the local plants.
Oh.
Yeah, the local colors.
They all dyed it by themselves.
Wow.
We also gather the stuff ourselves from the farmers.
我们一直就是对天然的东西很有兴趣，所以我们就开始想，好，第一个，通常是一只过来，我们会做成 compost， 我们会把它做成堆肥。然后呢，我们可以做成有的东西像果皮啊这些东西，我们可以做成酵素。然后还有呢，那我们就想说，那我们来试试看染色。
大概就会染给植物。
对。
So this is the indigo material. 不过大概看起来一点都不 indigo 哎。
I know.
It doesn't look indigo at all, right?
Yes. The leaf contains the indigoton. That's the blue pigment.
So 加水嚟陣扭起攞一攞去。
Yeah. But right now, because it's not the season, so we don't get enough the juice from the leaf. Yeah. It's spring. Right now it's spring, but after a while,
it will turn.
It will turn into blue.
大概全部都有它特别的颜色吗？And there's ginger. You see,
this is actually turmeric.
Oh, turmeric.
Yeah, turmeric.
姜黄。
Oh.
那是
That's the ingredient. Curry.
姜黄煮的染色，可是姜麻中的，係冇。
I think not enough pigment.
Oh.
Yeah. It's changing.
哦，你看，真挺嘅。
It's changing.
时间越久，它就会越深，係冇。
Yeah.
那给尬丝我哋會染一條這樣從來染嘅色，
Then we use we actually make into a paste. That's a dye paste, indigo paste.
Oh.
Then when we use it, right, we have to build a vat, and we use sugar.
Sugar?
Yeah, molasses, and molasses and rice wine to cultivate the bacteria in the vat.
你馬該會有看到嘅，這麼多人
a lot of pronouns. Okay, so then we dip this into the vat, kind of like a multiple dipping.
Oh.
Okay, for the light color, at least 16 dips.
Yeah,
that's about 24 to 36.
To 36.
Yeah.
Times
multiple dips. Yeah, you dip this into the vat, and they come out.
從按用一條做起來，全部大概要多長嘅時間
？For us, it would take us about at least 1 week.
1 week for one
finish
scarf.
This. At least 1 week. But then we have to let it kind of like the color will mature, right?
Yes.
So we have to put into a dark room for 6 months before we can use it. Before we sell it.
Wow, that's long.
Yeah. It's just kind of very time-consuming labor,
right.
also labor-consuming work. But it's natural, so it's eco-friendly.
Yeah.
Yes.
And also those 你帶嚟的看下。
Okay. What do you call these plants in your language?
I'm not. I never.
In English, it's Garcinia. Garcinia. But in Chinese, it's called 菲律宾浮木.
菲律宾浮木.
Yeah. Also, we call it happy tree.
Oh. Why is it happy tree?
The leaf.
That's
kinda
all
like
very
this.
Kind of smiley face.
Yeah. So let's guess what color
It is.
Yeah. What color? The green leaves, right?
Yeah.
And that's the color blue. And this is a green leaf. Yeah.
Take your guess.
Yeah.
No, wait.
Orange?
Wait. Second.
What's the connection? The orange and the green.
Because it has a big contrast? Wait, what do a smiley face bring you? Red?
Red?
I don't know. Yeah, like sunshine.
Okay, let's see, okay?
Yeah.
Let's come over. Come over here and see. Oh, okay. So,
Mini, mini, mo,
开始唱歌拍照。你上的那个好，go to Y O U. That's the one.
Wow.
All right, that's the one.
为什么 Be my guy? I don't understand. How come?
Yeah, that's the mystery of nature.
Yes.
跟你 Be my guy 會上到，就是你看到兩個色，你會有乜嘅感覺？你一個色都冇相用，然後染出來你一半也沒冇相用，懂嗎？
Yeah, right.
那你會對兩個色有乜嘅感覺？
Very bright, like sunshine. And it's a positive energy, like a sunshine.
I mean, you look at this.
Yeah, when I look at the color.
What about this one? Does it still bring you sunshine?
This bring me a lot of memory from my grandma. You know, I'm a Hakkamese, but I can't speak Hakkamese. Sorry for that. And my grandma raised me when I was a child. I spent a lot of time with my grandma. I've seen my grandma, right? She went back to the backyard and get the leaf from Formosan acacia, 香溪树.
Oh,
Acacia, right? And I saw her chop down the leaves and make into the dye bath and dye the blankets. So that's from the point.
921那一年我在台湾，我本来是从西雅图回来，只是回来探亲啊。然后因为921地震，我们的大楼倒了，所以我从大楼爬下来的时候，就觉得上天把我留下来是有原因的。然后我看到我全部南投的乡亲朋友，那时候我就觉得我要跟南投一起共生死。然后就在想说，那我能够做什么？那我自己本身就很喜欢植物，很喜欢生命的东西。那我就想说，那好，假设有一块土地在我手上，我能够守护着它，那就是我要做的事。
Yeah.
Dying to die.
This is the 月桂叶.
月桃.
Yeah. 月桃. You know, we put this under. I told you like we have like Hakka buns, right?
Yes,
so we would
yes,
cut
yes,
this and
yes.
underneath, like how we ate the rice.
That's right.
So what kind of cut it?
从哪边？从
So we're going to use the stem and the leaves as our dye stuff. Okay.
两个粉红，这个是什么？
Yeah.
它是要
So
长个梯。
yeah. So this is for kind of like a sprout, right?
Yes.
So guess what color will turn out?
You mean this part or this part?
No, we're going to chop every.
Oh, you're
But
going to chop
understand,
everything?
You chop into small pieces, and then we cook it. Okay.
Okay.
So like making the broth.
Yes.
All right.
Broth, yes.
Okay. So here, want to try?
Yes, of
So
course.
let's get some.
Wow.
Okay, and this is the flowers.
When I reached the place, it surprised me because it's the tie-dyeing we had in the Philippines, but it's not 100% natural tie-dyeing we had, but it's the turmeric, which is very familiar to me. So it's quite very interesting, and it's giving more. It creates in my mind how I interact with my designing. How can I question my mind that how will I interact with this, and how can I put it in my work or in my design or in my craft?
是切月穗应该是对等于它跟走比较有可以加速嘛。
Right, just like a mom making the broth. Use the backbone
it's better to crush it.
Yeah.
Yeah. In that way, you save time, right?
Yeah.
Your energy to get the
Save the gas.
Yeah.
Yes.
But we are not using the gas today.
So what do we do?
We don't have gas here.
Oh yeah.
你还看过 Gracia， 她很朴直哦，是不是？这是在你生命中有发生大概很重大的事情以后，你会很多物质都不想要了，我只想要做好一件事情。你做的马该都蒙欧呢，然后就为了一个信念呀，冲击共。他是从921那一刻探出来给世界，他感觉有两个使命要继续，要来做这件事情。
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle all the way. No. We don't want to drop our gifts to everybody. Yeah.
We want to show everyone. Okay, that's Assam tea.
The black tea.
Okay.
那大概煮多久的时间啊？
Okay. After it's boiling, it takes extra 30 minutes. Like brewing the tea. Yeah.
30 minutes.
30 minutes. Right, Karen?
Yeah.
Okay, now we're gonna add water.
With her.
She's find out, right?
Do you hear the wood cracking?
Yes. Get the
When I
stir it.
Stir it. Okay.
The thick one. Yeah. And stir it. Just make sure
就是按用 stir
everything is
吗？
under the below the water surface.
Okay. Oh, below. Okay.
Below.
就是确定说叶子都有沾到水，然后还有待会的确定它在水面下。所以现在是冷水嘛，所以就可以压一下，用手压一下。
哦，对嘛，
对啊，
早讲嘛，在那边
easier
stir 半天 stir 不出来。
其实一开始也是真的是从农开始啦。那因为我爸爸是梨山老农嘛，那当然就我爸爸那一辈一定是说，你们不要当农夫，农夫真的很辛苦。可是也是因为可能就是经历过这种921，那因为在南投是重灾区，然后我们家也是经历过一些水灾嘛，所以也是有做土地流失的问题，然后就开始去想，有一天我一定要回去把家里这块地重新再做，可能跟爸爸那时候做法是不一样，因为以前真的是一根锄头养全家，那爸爸当然就是关心农夫嘛，关心农夫就是一样做这些事情，那就觉得说将来如果回去到那块土地上，就是可以做的是友善这块土地的事情，那怎么样去做对的事情。
So Karen， 你讲我哋大概要等多久嘅時間？我哋跳下做嘅。
水滚30分钟才能出来。
好，我哋
要
等30分鐘，唔夠，這件動咁痛，然後我哋
这个已经等到了30分钟了，所以可以拿出来了。
我們用眼淚換30分鐘。Like I know。
这是茶梗，
茶梗，嘛可以叫茶梗，紅茶。
红玉红茶的茶梗。
古時只有茶會煮300，係嗎？
对，大茶我们会煮3次。
那其他嘅呢？
像月桃的话，叶子这一类我们大概都煮2次。哦，好，我们现在就会这样把它过滤出来，那就是尽量把水分舀出来。
那等一下就是马上
再加水，然后再煮第2次，然后所以我会把第1次、第2次、第3次的水混在一起，那才是可以染色。
你嘛该会1、2、3混在一起？
主要煮的时候是从外面慢慢的破坏到里面去，所以你
所以要让每一个不要浪费的哦，
你才能充分的萃取。
煮的过程还有染的过程，你就想象你要待在一个房间，然后那个都是 smoke。按辛苦的事情，你嘛该永远会做啊！我们真人对每一件事情都看得太简单了。
Let me show you my organic vat, indigo vat. Okay.
Organic?
We have organic. Yeah. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yeah.
Different time we build the vat. We need the dye paste. This is the indigo paste.
So， 古時喺每一個時間，佢嘅顏色都會冇同樣嘅。
Yeah, it depends on the fermentation.
Also, the fermentation depends. Fermentation is the factor.
How much dye stuff you put in? Then the time. Also.
Oh, 是可以啊。
可以。
You put, you make something on it? No, no.
No, just you use the slate lime.
Lime.
Yes.
OK
Okay, so
哦，有一点，它里面还有一点杂质给感觉呢，就是一点点粒粒的。
yeah.
It's the
看
smell
它
is very
哎，闻
strong.
它看你看，有没有？很浓的，所以爱点就会老俩给，然后放进去让它稀释，嘿吗？
Yeah. That's the dye stuff.
OK.
Okay, that's the paste.
It's very fruitful and it's very rich to me because after that I thought is it gonna stop here? And the two girls, Sophie and Sharon, never mentioned it that we're going to this place and we're going to work for this. So it's also again the surprise for me, and it's always I'm making my own imagination. What are we going to do next? So
what is 俩个马盖啊？
Okay, this is a kind of a paste, right? It's called resist paste.
Resist paste.
Resist means resist the dye goes through. So we place the paste on, and that part will be white. The rest of it will be blue.
俩个 paste 黑马盖做嘅啊？
糯米 sticky rice. Sticky rice. Some sticky rice and rice
So it
bran.
sticks on this fabric naturally, right?
Yeah.
哎，两个看起来亲像 peanut
That's the
butter.
one, right? It's also very much like the HakkaTV mochi.
Mochi.
Right?
Do you know the
The
sticky
mochi,
rice?
yeah.
yes,
right?
yes,
You
yeah.
pound it.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's the stencil, right?
Yeah. 我用的时候，你先试一下。
Okay, I'll try. I'll demonstrate. So you put the stencil on. So I need the paste. So I'm going to put some paste. I'm going to put this on. Okay, I'll put this on. That's one time. The first time you press a little bit. So kind of push the paste on the fabric.
Okay.
Right? And the second time you just cover it.
总共会几百啊
Two times.
？Two times. Okay.
Then you lift this stencil up. So that's the pattern.
Wow, see?
All right, that's a tongue flower.
你马该会用两个啊？
This is wood dust 粉。
你马该
这样子的话，它的那个什么，可以减少水分的蒸发。我们在染色的时候可以顾这个糊料，要不然我们这个糊料下了水，它一样会滑动。
开。
No, not yet.
Oh, not yet. What is this then? 哦，你要把它扫掉。
对，你要先把它扫掉。我会往中间扫。
按用中间的那个不会被你扫乱吗
？Sticky rice 就很厉害。
哇哦。
OK。可是它因为今天天气比较好，可是至少要半天到1天才会干。所以待会我们
那点用嘅就准备哦。
It's giving me a lot of inspiration also, and it's creating again in my mind. It inspired me, and it's already the passion is there, I think, for seeing those different color which is coming from the natural resources and materials. And yes.
在这10年间，地震之后，我们就不断的尝试，不断的去做这种染色的天然染色，以台湾的在地的植物，尤其是农民的修枝，接着我们又做了路树的修枝，然后来做染色，然后放一段时间，看它固色力好不好。所以慢慢的这10多年，我们就累积了很多经验值，我们就做了大概台湾有100种以上的染色，所以才会有今天很多的颜色。
It's quite very interesting connection with working with her and Karen, and very touching because it's a lot of art of moving. The moving, it's there. It's like there's life actually in that village. Yeah, that's why I'm being attached with.
Okay, so we're gonna try 3 minutes.
3 minutes.
Yeah.
So like one time.
So we're gonna do actually it would take about 4 rounds, and each round 3 times. Each time 3 minutes.
Like after making this one, when you return either to Philippines or the studio, how do you think you'll integrate your experiences?
When I go back home, yeah, I will, of course, because some of the tribe are doing this, like in Ifugao in my husband's place. So, but they are looking for indigo. They want to do indigo. So I can tell because I think the plant is actually grow in the Philippines. So I should tell. Yes. Yeah. I will share to them.
We're very close to indigo, but
yeah.
I see this every day and it never popped up in my mind.
How the process is.
No, just use synthetic indigo.
Yeah, I think so.
又是一个累积耶，时间的累积，经历的累积，经验也是。几架是模式按多拜，几枚唔低，原来要染到我的看起来好像青酱给蓝染，几分他也不会知道要这么辛苦啊，所以他也是从经验中安永一直学习了一个。鼓手矮点之后的安永就 hit 一半，然后就听他把所有的经验讲完，我们有多幸运。
I can say Mother Krisha talks a lot about nature and it's very inspiring. Her words, her language, and it's inspired me a lot because way back home it's very similar. The connection is there. And actually when she showed up the material she's using in the tie-dyeing, I remember my father who's he's creating or he's working on this fruit that with his group, the cultural group, and he's applying them. They use it for their makeup, and it's very beautiful. The color, it's very intense and brilliant. So it's always go back in my mind, in my memories, in my childhood. The colors, that's the inspiration that I'm putting in my craft. It's always it's the memories also.
拿头是胭脂树，
这个就是你刚刚说的胭脂。
对，胭脂。
Try, show me your face.
You see your father.
Wait, 他是一直用那个。
Look at the color, it's intense. See?
所以以前给你就会用这个当做
口红。
Come.
And it has a very unique smell. 味道很特别。
有吗？
有个香气。
有。So people
it's
use
really
this as
really edible. It's also food colorant.
Yeah.
Also for cosmetics.
Yeah. She mentioned also that we really have to learn from nature. We have to give a favor for nature because the nature giving us more life. I think more production, the food we eat, the air we breathing, everything that the nature is providing us, and we should also give back our love, and we have to cherish the nature.
今本日係 Irene 老藝那個最後一天嘅旅行，然後等一下我就會帶本機到那個馬街茭白筍。
茭白筍。
甜。This is your last day being very local to Taiwanese culture, right?
Yes.
How do you feel right now?
Yeah, I feel I'm at home because we use this.
You use this at home?
Yes.
So later maybe you'll be leading me then, all right? I might trip over, so give me your hand.
Okay.
Yeah. 好，那小甜甜我们就到水里面喽。
没有，我们准备下田。
好啊。
来去跟美人有一腿一下吧。
美人腿。
对。
美人腿。
走吧。
其实每一拜有机会踩在田里面，我一定都会 say yes。我嘅人生唔會有千多拜都是踩入田里面。
Irene, come out please, Irene. Don't do this to me 啦。我哋 湾嘛，该多我们离婚用完之后，然后给气嘎就在田里面，然后自己很开心，因为他又说很像回到家。Irene, come out!
Sharon!
Irene, where are you?
Sharon, where are you?
Please come out, lah!
Hey, Sharon! But in the field, it's very different. The feeling is different because honestly, I don't know. You know, I thought we were gonna get a frog because I saw the picture that the frog paradise. You've seen that? I thought we were gonna catch frog, and I never did that in my whole life. And I always, how are we going to do this? So I'm surprised that it's also another first time for first experience.
Irene!
Here, Sharon!
Irene!
Yeah, Sharon!
I miss you!
You're here!
Help me!
Yes, come.
小甜甜，
哎，
我们来你的田里到底要干嘛呢？
啊，你不是要来拔茭白笋，还是要割茭白笋呢？
对呀，
还是要跟美人有一腿啊？
要跟美人有一腿。
This is awesome.
那你下来，你刚才就用嚟割零個茭白笋，好唔好？
好 ，OK。
好啊。小甜甜，你要用嚟看那个茭白笋后，哪一个都得收成的呀？
哦，这个茭白笋要经过120天之后哈，它才会长出一个那个茭白笋。
120天一根。
对。
按用看不出来到底哪一个是。
哦，我们要怎么找呢？所以要跟它有一腿。跟美人有一腿。
好，那你把它腿割下来。
怎么去认识它呢？所以我们要先跟它有一腿，就是要摸它。先触摸它的颈部。
好。
颈部这个地方哈，我们刀子要放了45度角。好，这样子。啊，轻轻的、微微的把它拉起来。哦，这样子就是一柱茭白笋。
So you're opening the legs.
到最后的时候，这个壳是做纸浆。
那为什么这里有这么多浮萍啊？
啊，浮萍哈，从这边。
好，快。How do you feel?
Good.
Yeah. Is it nice?
啊，浮萍哈。
That's good.
Good 啊。我自己你讲，我来吹气。
很甜耶。
很甜哈。
This is very sweet.
I'm a very traditional person and I belong to this nature also. I can say that because I live in a village which is very similar here. So even though I did not do it at home, it's like by heart I know it.
左手。
这个。
左手，来摸我的手这边。
好。要抓住底部是不是？
不是，先触摸它，跟它有一腿，跟你的男朋友有一腿，对不对？他
boyfriend。
你看这个就是细细的筋，
有摸到这个。
哦，有没有？
好。
我们刀子要放的地方就是在那个地方啊，你左手这样子，扶着在上面，右手刀子放着，好，45度这样。
也是直接割起来，对不对？
对，用力，哇！
香婷啊，
香婷，你一刀两命，把我的小老婆不小心把它割掉了，你看。我的心都很快乐，不是在店里面。
I killed both of his wives. Oh no！ 你看那大宋的暗刀。
暗刀。
Your turn.
Same here. Same.
哪一个都得。
这里。来，你的左手给我。
So I should get the roots.
Yes, yes.
左手扶着，刀起。45度角。OK。
Can you?
Oh.
Sorry.
That's two.
Sorry.
你看每一个人都会先失败，嘿吗？他几枚黑老那个一大堆的笋子切掉了。
哎，对，没关系。
Why is it like it's easy to fail?
你割到他的屁股。
And one thing I think is being a very traditional person is. We have this connection, I think, and one memory also I want to mention it. I saw snails. I saw an egg, and Sharon told me then it's probably in my mind that in our place in Kalinga, in my village, our village, I think we have this snail that we call it Taiwan. So I remember maybe somebody brought it there, and it's really a connection because I told them that. We have, yes, you made me remember it, Sharon, because we have this snail. It's golden snail. We call it Taiwan, but it's Taiwan. and people likes it because it's like a medicine. It's medicine for them, but though it will destroy our plants, but they will gather them and we cook it, and it make us sleeping pills. To say that sleeping pills because they made us sleepy really.
根本应该感觉很爱跟眼神低度，剃一半手指跟脚趾都这么脏，唔讲爱庆佛去。I feel like every step I'm stepping, I'm cracking something. 可是你唔会底下是什么啊？唔讲好啦，对爱的，就是两个死推嘅声音来讲，可能就会听好高。唔讲，可是对小甜甜来讲，她毕竟她以前也是在都市，然后就是因为我们踩下去的这个感觉，才让她回来的。Stellas, so ngày đến thiếu ha za cái cáo xuân.
Cáo xuân.
So you know, we pay much endeavor when we were in the water. You know, it was hard to walk, but now it's time for us to do self-supply.
Yes.
Like how people used to do it, right? 那你会示范一下你会用的周某小甜甜。
好，我就教你们了。
直接。做嘛干啊？让它。
这个是万里芳香美人腿料理哈。所以我们要首先来挑选这个茭白笋，直接把壳脱光光。还有我们的埔里的椴木菇，刻成有一种花朵的感觉。我们茭白笋就是这样子，把它切成这样，对半之后再切成3片。好，这样子。
I thought you're gonna make something, but okay. Since he's a chef, right?
大小差不多这样子就可以了。
Okay.
I like mushroom very much, but unfortunately we don't have that much at home. So we just eat one kind of mushroom. So this mushroom is very attract my feelings that it's kind of, it's nice to be connected with the food also, I think. So if you love food, I think you are a very positive person.
所以其实做2个时间，我上都爱阿妹。因为以前阿妹阿妹在厨房啊，避鬼避怪。
Wow, it's very delicious. So because the person he works on it and he put love on the food. That's why I think that's.
你好，我是香缇。你know，其实家也有在做编织，不过佢做嘅係布嘅編織，唔係做嘅
織布嘅。
織布嘅。那以前老愛就介紹一下你做嘅作品。好啊，
是的啦。好，
來看。She did those. Yes. Wow. Have you seen bamboo weaving before?
这个是竹编包。竹编包，我们编像包包的形状，然后里面在车内里。
还有2个，
还有2个。
2个係乜嘅意思？
这个就是财源滚滚来，做一个球，然后里面放铃铛。
其实我有一些的难过，看到佢安樣，因为不是同情或是什么，而是发现佢雖然安樣行動不方便，不過他没有放棄自己，可能為了生存就好，而是除了生存以外，佢還有另一件事會做。2件事情就是他要老那个竹编再传给更多人，这个是我觉得看到佢帶本來最大嘅感動。
我之前在做的时候也是用手，可是做了很久，花1-2个小时，我一个作品都做不好。后来我就想说啊，我可以
利用我的脚趾头帮忙。那我们来先看，我这个已经有钉好了，固定好了，总共有4片竹篾，摆正来，然后从我们靠近我们自己身体左边这一片，逆时针方向1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8，好，逆时针方向，那第一片好就弯起来，好，你的左手大拇指跟食指捏着，捏在这中间哦，不可以捏在这里，也不可以捏到很前面，一定要在中间，在这里，好，就夹住。好，第二片，
你还去嘎发现你可以用脚，
就用脚趾头，因为脚趾头中间有缝隙嘛，好，我们就给它夹住，这样就不会跑掉了。
那 V 毛刚才喷这个水啊？
喷水让它软化。
They said we are going to weave a bamboo or something like we're making a basket, and I'm surprised because we came to this very young lady. She's so passionate on her craft. That's the most important of being a human, how you share your talent or skill with other people.
阿季给你一回是你很勇诶接触到竹编嘅啊？
竹编哦，从我在大学快要毕业的时候，我就在网络上看到相关竹子编织的东西，然后我就很喜欢呐，然后我就想说，在网络上搜寻到很多资料啊，包括师资啊，然后我就开始，就是慢慢在计划要怎么去认识老师啊，找老师学习这样子。
I told Sharon that Sharon, we should do our best. Look at her. She can even work on his feet, and we have the complete body. Why not? We should also make better. I really learn a lot from her.
其实我调他看到你脚一拿起来，然后我就我有一点点吓到 MV， 没有想到会是。就是你是这样辛苦的在做一件事情，能够冲来的安永做好像看起来轻简单，不过就是你说用脚对你来说比较简单，不过其实一口是一定也是很辛苦的过程，
就是要找对方法，适合自己的方法。
Actually, it's whatever you do. Like this is suitable for him, but it's not for either
me and me.
Yes, right? 那给你看来的安永做，你有哪个心得吗？
你们都很棒啊，对啊。
哎呦，你少客套了，我们做的是这样。
我就跟你们分享是我的荣幸，对不对？
谢谢。
我就是很喜欢跟人家分享，就是把我知道我会的，尤其是竹编，就是想要做传承。
Everything is the first time for me, and I can say also again, I'm thankful for this experience. Very, very fruitful.
So after this 5 whole days.
Yeah.
What? I don't know what to say. I'm numb now.
Yeah. It's very hard to say goodbye. And I'm very thankful because without her, I think this is not as fun as I'm enjoying.
反正我就觉得她是一个很纯洁的人啦。
We share a common passion also in life because she shared her story that it's always the family who is you have to be hold on.
You're a very family person, right?
Yes, yes.
I see you talking to your family all the time. So, what had you shared with them?
You too, Sharon.
她反而比较像是一双眼睛，告诉我要去看，拼从看不到的东西。
I'm very grateful to come here in your place, and I'm sure I will learn a lot from your place, and I hope also you will learn also from me. I will share my talents, I will share my creativity, I will share my passion. You welcome me, and I will welcome Taiwan in my heart. And I'm sure I'll come back and meet you again. You are so kind. You are so kind, and no need to in the camera. You inspired me a lot to continue my
craft, and I hope we will meet in Baguio or in somewhere in the Philippines, and you're always welcome to see me and my family. You stay with us. And thank you, Sheshe, and hope to meet you again while I'm here. Hope, please visit me because I'll be missing you. And thank you again.